How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn off the Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer. So before you go ahead and do this, you want to make sure that your printer is on idle mode. So what that means is that make sure that your printer is not actively printing or doing something like a firmware update and etc. And make sure that it's turned on and sitting still. From there, you want to navigate to the back of the actual printer, which is going to be this one. And at the back of your printer, there's going to be a lot of buttons, and then you will be able to find the power socket. So above that, you have the rocker switch. Basically, we have the on and off button, which will then look something like this. So on the other side, you have the symbol, and you have the one or the O on the other side. Currently, it's flipped on 1, meaning it has power. And if you want to turn it off, just make sure that you flipped it on the 0 side. And from there, you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.